Across the vast savannas and arid deserts of Africa, a symbol of elegance and agility roams free the gazelle. These graceful creatures, with their slender bodies and long, powerful legs, embody the very essence of speed and grace. They are a testament to the wonders of evolution, perfectly adapted to their challenging environments. In this exploration, we will journey into the world of gazelles. We will uncover the secrets behind their remarkable agility and delve into the diverse species that inhabit our planet. From the sweeping plains of the Serengeti to the rugged landscapes of the Arabian Peninsula, we will witness the gazelle's remarkable adaptations. Join me as we uncover the fascinating lives of these iconic animals. We will explore their habitats, behaviors, and the challenges they face in a changing world. Together, we will discover why these creatures are not only a symbol of grace, but also a testament to the delicate balance of nature. Let our journey begin. The term gazelle encompasses a diverse group of antelopes. They belong to the genus Gazella, a family that boasts around 16 distinct species. Each species has unique characteristics, but they all share certain defining traits. One of the most recognizable gazelles is the Thompson's gazelle, named after the renowned explorer Joseph Thomson. These graceful creatures are a common sight on the African savanna, their reddish-brown coats blending seamlessly with the grasslands. Another notable species is the Grant's gazelle, known for its impressive horns that can grow up to 80 centimeters long. These magnificent animals are found in eastern and southern Africa, where they graze on the open plains. In the Arabian Peninsula, the Arabian gazelle stands as a symbol of resilience. Adapted to the harsh desert environment, these gazelles have a lighter coat that reflects sunlight and helps them stay cool. From the plains of Africa to the deserts of Arabia, gazelles showcase the incredible diversity of the natural world. Each species has evolved to thrive in its unique environment, a testament to the power of adaptation. Gazelles are highly adaptable creatures capable of surviving in a variety of habitats. However, they are most commonly found in open grasslands, savannas, and deserts. These environments offer the perfect combination of food sources and visibility, allowing gazelles to thrive. In the African savannas, gazelles graze on the abundant grasses that flourish during the rainy season. They share these vast landscapes with a diverse array of herbivores, including zebras, wildebeest, and elephants. Some gazelle species, such as the Dorcas gazelle, have adapted to the harsh conditions of the desert. These remarkable creatures can survive for extended periods without water, obtaining moisture from the plants they consume. Whether roaming the open plains or navigating the arid desert, gazelles have carved out a niche for themselves in some of the world's most challenging environments. Their ability to adapt is a testament to their resilience and a key to their survival. The gazelle is synonymous with speed and agility. These remarkable creatures have evolved a suite of adaptations that allow them to outrun some of the fastest predators on Earth. Their slender bodies, long legs, and lightweight build are all designed for speed. When danger threatens, a gazelle can reach astonishing speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour. Their powerful leg muscles propel them forward in a burst of energy, leaving predators struggling to keep up. But speed is not their only defense. Gazelles are also incredibly agile, capable of making sharp turns and sudden stops. Their exceptional eyesight allows them to detect predators from afar, and their large hearts and lungs provide the endurance they need to escape. In the game of survival, the gazelle's speed and agility are its greatest assets, allowing it to thrive in a world where danger lurks around every corner. Section 5. Strength in numbers. Gazelle herds and social dynamics. Gazelles are social animals, often congregating in large herds that can number in the hundreds or even thousands. Living in a group offers numerous advantages, increasing their chances of survival in a predator-filled environment. When grazing together, gazelles have more eyes to watch for danger. If a predator approaches, the herd will scatter in different directions, confusing the attacker and making it difficult to single out an individual. Within the herd, there is a clear social structure. Dominant males will compete for access to females, engaging in displays of strength and agility. Females, in turn, form strong bonds with their offspring, nurturing and protecting them until they are old enough to fend for themselves. The social dynamics of gazelle herds are fascinating to observe. From the playful antics of young fawns to the watchful gaze of the herd's leaders, every gazelle plays a role in the group's survival. Section 6. A menu of grasses, the Gazelle Diet. Gazelles are herbivores, their diet consisting primarily of grasses, leaves and other vegetation. They are selective grazers, choosing the most nutritious plants available. Their digestive systems are specially adapted to break down the tough fibers found in their plant-based diet. During the wet season, when fresh grasses are abundant, gazelles will graze for hours each day. They use their sharp teeth to clip the tender shoots, consuming large quantities to fuel their active lifestyles. In drier times, when grasses become scarce, gazelles will browse on shrubs and trees. They can even reach leaves high up by standing on their hind legs, using their long necks to access this valuable food source. The gazelle's diet plays a vital role in the ecosystem. As grazers, they help to control plant growth and maintain the balance of nature. Section 7. Fleeing danger, predators and survival tactics. Life on the savannah is a constant battle for survival. Gazelles, despite their speed and agility, are a prime target for a variety of predators, including lions, cheetahs, leopards, and wild dogs. These skilled hunters rely on a combination of speed, stealth, and cunning to capture their prey. Lions, for example, will often stalk a herd of gazelles, waiting for the perfect moment to pounce. Cheetahs, on the other hand, rely on their incredible speed to chase down their prey in a short burst of energy. Gazelles have evolved a number of survival tactics to avoid becoming a predator's next meal. Their keen eyesight allows them to spot danger from afar, and their exceptional hearing alerts them to any unusual sounds. When threatened, a gazelle will often engage in a behavior known as stotting or pronking. This involves leaping high into the air with all four legs stiff, signaling to the predator that it has been spotted and is not an easy target. Section 8, the Conservation Challenge, Safeguarding Gazelles. Gazelles, once a common sight across Africa and parts of Asia, are facing a growing number of threats. Habitat loss, poaching and disease are pushing some species towards the brink of extinction. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure the survival of these graceful creatures. The International Union for Conservation of Nature, or IUCN, lists several gazelle species as endangered or vulnerable. The Dama gazelle, for example, is critically endangered, with only a few hundred individuals remaining in the wild. Protecting gazelle populations requires a multifaceted approach. This includes establishing protected areas, combating poaching, and raising awareness about the importance of conservation. Section 9. Habitat loss and fragmentation, a growing threat. One of the most significant threats to gazelle populations is habitat loss and fragmentation. As human populations grow and expand, they encroach upon the natural habitats of gazelles. The conversion of grasslands and savannas into farmland, settlements, and infrastructure displaces gazelles from their homes, forcing them into smaller and more isolated areas. This fragmentation of their habitat makes it difficult for gazelles to find food, water, and mates. It also increases their vulnerability to predators and disease. Section 10. The illegal wildlife trade, a dark shadow. The illegal wildlife trade casts a dark shadow over the future of gazelles. These graceful creatures are targeted for their horns, meat and hides, which are sold on the black market for traditional medicine, luxury goods and bushmeat. Organized criminal networks are involved in the trafficking of gazelle parts, driving many species towards extinction. The demand for these products fuels poaching and undermines conservation efforts. Combating the illegal wildlife trade requires international cooperation, law enforcement, and public awareness campaigns. It is a complex issue that demands a coordinated global response. Section 11, Hope on the Horizon, Conservation Efforts in the Future. Despite the challenges, there is hope for the future of gazelles. Conservation organizations, governments, and local communities are working together to protect these iconic animals and their habitats. Establishing protected areas such as national parks and wildlife reserves provides safe havens for gazelles and other wildlife. Anti-poaching patrols and law enforcement efforts are cracking down on the illegal wildlife trade. Public awareness campaigns are educating people about the importance of gazelle conservation and the threats they face. Community-based conservation programs are empowering local communities to protect their natural heritage.